What can you do when a heavy-duty thread is defective? Cut away some of the material? Never! It's much better to use Wurth's thread repair set. Defective threads may function again after working on them with a tap and die. But a loss of workpiece material is inevitable here. In contrast to this, the thread repair set is gentle to the flanks of the thread. Thrust bearing and profile roller are simply inserted into the tool. And the tool is then turned around the axis of the workpiece. Instead of removing material, the repair set gently returns it to its original form. The thread is then as good as new and can be used immediately. With Wurth's thread repair set, you can bring any thread up to scratch again.